How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another official me, DYANG. Yes, we are back out here in Monona Bay, on Monona Bay, looking for some panfish. To me, this is the safest lake right now to go on and have a great time catching some panfish through the ice. Ice feels good. It's about 5 inches out here. Use extra precaution. Be careful where you go. So in today's video, I'm going to break down to you guys how I fish Monona Bay. And this is going to be more like how to hole hop for panfish and how to read panfish, what kind of lures do I hop with, etc. I'm just going to break it down. It's going to be a little different, but it's going to be more detailed because I feel like that's all I've done is just catch fish, and that's what you guys like to see. But I know there are guys out there who want to see how I do it, why do I do it, and what do I do, right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the ice. Alright, so this video is going to be a little different. As you guys can see here, it's important that you have a drill, right? And I'm talking about not a hand auger. I'm talking about either a gas drill or a bigger drill, but this is what I use, my Milwaukee drill with my laser auger, 6-inch. I'm going to go ahead and drill 9 holes in a rectangular shape because I feel like if you cover that stretch back out there, I'm going to go shallow and stretch it all the way down. 9 holes, 3 in each rows, all the way down, so stick around. Alright, so here goes the 9 holes. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today you guys are gonna be hanging out on my Vexilar, and I'm gonna go ahead and hole hop with you guys. I'm gonna start off with the first hole that I drilled. That way the fish that were there, since I drilled a rectangle shape, most likely they will move back from all the noise I made. So hopefully they're here. Look at that. There's a fish right there at the bottom. Another tip too is that you stay away from the crowd. It's obviously when you see a lot of people on ice, right, and they're hugging one specific spot, more than likely the fish will move away because of the pressure. So I like to stay away from the crowd, not because I don't like the crowd, but it's only that way you can find more committed fish. Like right now I'm marking fish right there, let them want to move, nothing comes up within like a minute or so, I'm just going to move to the next hole. So here's a little tip for you guys. A lot of times people are just like, they tie their jig, they're ready to go, right? I'm not saying it won't work, but what I like to do, just hold your jig head right here, just take your string, I don't know if you can see the string, just pull it back towards the hook, right? And that'll make your lure horizontal. And that's how you want to jig. It's more efficient that way. That way you get more action. Your bite is better too. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a crappie. Hey, I'll keep it. We are keeping fish today, guys, so don't freak out. Here we go. Call it. So nice crappie. Right there in the upper lip. Get my plastic bag, and you're going on the pan fry. Good fish. Yeah, they're down here. Coming. They're just not feeding windows. Yeah, that's it. Oh, Sequin's taking my fish, bro. That would be good. Seagull's stealing fish out there, man. There he comes. God. Yeah, little bluegill. These are the guys down there, floating around, trolling us. Those are the ones we want to fly out like that. There he comes. That's a nice bluegill. Oh, I'll take one up. There we go. Holy smoke, showed up hard. Got him. Bluegill. showed up super hard. That's what you want. What is that? God. It's a bluegill. Nice. There we go. Better size. It's good though. We found some suspended fish. It's good. It's good. The most challenging part about this is that I'm using plastic. I'm triggering the bite, right? I'm doing my best to like try to find the active fish. So here's what you want to do, guys. So here's the bottom, right? You can jig the bottom too. It's not that you can't, but you can go a little higher just where the fish can see it. So right now it's 8.5 feet of water, and it goes to 7, right? Jig by this dot right here. That way I can trigger the fish that are up here and the fish that are down here. I'm gonna work this column here for a little bit. It's gonna take, oh, there it is, right there. There it is. Come on, baby. These might just be little fish, but still. He's right on me, he's staring at me right now. That's me right there. And I'll stop. I'll wait. Oh, I felt that tap. Just a little nibble. Alright, as you guys can see there, there's a ton of fish suspended. More than likely they're bluegills. Let's see if we can catch them. I'll show you guys. So, always go to the first one right here. You see that? It showed up super hard. Oh my god. And we're out. Oh, and it popped off right underneath the ice. Holy cow, that was cool. I was still watching the main camera. It's okay, right here. And we're on. It's a little guy. Wait, I don't know. Oh, it's actually a decent bluegill. Nice. There you go, guys. Nice bluegill. Right there. Ooh. Jeez, alright, there we go. There's the fish. Catch and release. There we go. And it's a bluegill. It's okay, we're catching fish. This bite's a lot better than the ones over there. There's another one right down there. Yeah, at least we found active fish. I was so confused why the fish weren't active on the other side. Oh, here it comes. And back to back. I'll take that. And just like that, guys, we found ourselves some panfish. But I'll take those. It's been a dry morning. I went to all my good spots on the other side, nothing. Here you come. Fast torpedo. That's a better fish. Torpedo, man. Holy cow. Just chilling up in the air. Well guys, that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Again, it was just a quick how do I catch panfish, what I do, what does it look like, and my techniques and tips pretty much. So yeah, if you guys haven't yet, check out Monona Bay. Monona Bay is a great fishery for panfish. Some nice bluegills and crappies for you guys. And yeah, I don't know, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I helped, I think. And I'll see you guys on the water next time.